Jelly talks English. Look! A seashell! Oh, it is so beautiful! The shell is glowing! Whoa! I am underwater! This is a fish! Hello, pretty fish! This is an octopus! Enjoy your cake, dear octopus. Wow, jellyfish! They are so beautiful! A sea turtle! This turtle is so big! And this is a seahorse. It is so tiny and cute. A dolphin. Shall we go, Dolphin? Goodbye, Dolphin.